Hello my friends, William Poloniak here again at Whole Health Foundation. In this video I'm going to show how we repaired this Model 235 juicer that had two broken posts. This post was totally broken and this had a cracked upper plate that we had to weld. Now the first thing we did was we took off this top stainless steel metal plate, completely dismantled the juicer, and then we took it to the machine shop owned by my friend Wayne, and we welded the top plate, glued the plate back on, reassembled it, and then put 4 button head screws in the top to reinforce these 4 bolts so that this kind of accident will never happen again. Now Wayne, who owns the machine shop, is a miracle worker with metal. He can fix or repair everything. And we are going to display what he's done in the video clips to follow. If you want to contact me, my contact information is at the end of this video. I hope you like what you see. I'll see you in the next video. Contact cement, and we'll paint that on. Alright, some contact cement on the other surface. Okay, so we're going to let this dry, what, about 10 minutes until it's tacky?
Yep.
Okay, we're gluing this down with C-clamps. Okay, we got all the clamps on the top. We're going to leave that set for about an hour before we finish the job. Okay, let's see if we got this glued on properly here. Beautiful job. Okay, over to the drill press. Okay, the last button head screw going in to reinforce these posts. Beautiful job there. And here we have the finished product after all the machine shop work has been done. Now in perfect shape to last many more decades. Completely overhauled and improved. Notice we have the 1-inch extension on the feed tube. There you have it, my friends.